Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare crab classic. This popular seafood alternative is crafted from wild Alaska pollock, also known as surimi, and includes real crab meat. It's a convenient, fully cooked option that's ready to enjoy straight from the package. You'll find it offers a mild, slightly sweet flavor and a satisfying texture, making it a great addition to many dishes. Preparing crab classic is incredibly simple because it comes to you fully cooked and ready to enjoy. If you've purchased it frozen, the best way to prepare it is by letting it thaw slowly in your refrigerator overnight. Once thawed, or if starting with refrigerated product, you can easily flake or shred it into pieces, depending on what your recipe calls for. Crab classic is wonderfully versatile, perfect for both cold and hot culinary creations. For cold dishes, try it in a refreshing seafood salad, a tasty sandwich, or as the star of homemade California rolls. If you prefer warm meals, it shines in creamy dips, comforting chowders, or even baked into a quiche. A quick sauté with butter and garlic also makes a delicious, easy meal. To maintain the best quality and safety of your crab classic, proper storage is essential. Always keep it refrigerated at a temperature of 40 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Once you open the package, it's best to enjoy it within 3 to 4 days. For extended storage, you can freeze it in an airtight container for up to 6 months, remembering that the texture might slightly change upon thawing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.